Stop scrolling, because what you're about to hear might affect your job directly. Right now, artificial intelligence is not coming for jobs. It's already here. And by 2030, millions of people will be replaced quietly. Here's the truth no one is saying clearly. It doesn't need sleep. It doesn't ask for salary raises. It doesn't take breaks. And it keeps getting smarter every single day. In the past, technology replaced manual labor, factories, machines, assembly lines. But this time, it's different. AI is replacing thinking jobs. Customer support agents are already being replaced by chatbots. Writers are being replaced by AI tools that generate content in seconds. Accountants, designers, video editors, even junior software developers are at risk. And the scariest part, most people don't even realize it yet. Big companies are not announcing layoffs loudly anymore. They're simply not hiring humans because I can do the same work faster and cheaper. A single AI system can now handle the workload of 10 employees. By 2030, experts estimate that over 300 million jobs globally could be affected by AI automation. But here's what really matters. I won't replace everyone. It will replace people who don't adapt. Those who rely on one repetitive skill, those who refuse to learn, those who think, this won't affect me. History is clear. People who adapted to computers survived. People who adapted to the internet thrived. And now AI is the next filter. The future belongs to people who know how to use AI and not fear it. AI operators, prompt engineers, automation specialists, creative thinkers who combine human judgment with machine speed. AI is not your enemy. Ignoring it is. So the real question isn't, will I take my job? The real question is, will you be ready when it does? Because AI doesn't wait, and the future is arriving faster than anyone expected.